Section 3 consists of essay type questions of which diagram is compulsory and it carries equal importance with the theory what we are going to write. For example, for the question like explain the structure of neuron, first we have to draw the diagram, label all the parts, important points, then we have to start the description of the answer. What are the main points, parts of the neuron? First, what is it? It is called as structural and functional unit of the cell. So which is playing an important role in carrying the impulses from sense organs to the brain and brain to sense organs. So this plays an important role in carrying the impulses in the body. So its location, it is located everywhere on the skin in the body, and many lakhs of neurons combine to form a nerve. So a nerve is formed with the combination of many lakhs of neurons. So neuron structure is very much essential for the carrying of impulses. So for the study of the structure of neuron, first we have to study about the parts, important points. It consists of a cell body which consists of a nucleus, large nucleus inside, and small granules called as Nissl granules, and cell body is continued with a rod-like structure called as axon. Axon is an important thing which, for the carrying of impulses from cell body to the nerve terminals which are attached to another neuron. So this cell body is continued to axon, and axon is covered with a sheath called as myelin sheath. So importance of myelin sheath is very much essential here because it protects the leakage of current which is passing from one neuron to the another neuron. So the last part of this neuron is nerve terminals which carry the message, the current which is passed in one neuron to the another neuron. So it is a tree-like structure which consists of a cell body with Nissl granules and nucleus, axon with the myelin sheath, and nerve terminals which are attached to the another neuron. These are the important points which are to be covered in this